और इस बीच यहाँ पर गोदरेज प्रॉपर्टीज के मैनेजमेंट की तरफ से यहाँ पर प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस हो रही, सीधे चलते हैं।
Iconic structures in the world, including the Burj Khalifa in Dubai, which is the world's tallest current building, and have done a lot of work closer to home here in India, including very prestigious projects like the upcoming Mumbai International Airport. We understand that planning and conceptualizing an outstanding development are critical components of a project's success, but we also know that an outstanding outcome ultimately requires best-in-class execution. Our aim is to complete Godrej BKC by the end of 2015. With that in mind, we have partnered with Larsen & Toubro, India's leading construction firm, for the execution of this critical project. L&T has worked with Godrej Properties across a multitude of our projects in all parts of the country, and as of course you all know, have been responsible for many of the country's structures in all parts of the country. We are confident they will help us deliver this project to the kind of quality standards expected of a building of this type and within the stipulated timelines. Across the board, we have sought to plan a development that India's leading businesses will be proud to call their home. To help with this, we have ensured that Godrej BKC is planned to the highest degree of sustainability, which will create a technologically advanced and healthy environment for all the occupants of the building, while also reducing the energy requirements, thereby saving occupants substantial costs while promoting a healthier future for us all. A curated art program and substantial open landscape places will further our goal of success by design. From a commercial perspective as well, we expect Godrej BKC to be an outstanding project. While it is true that the office market in India has been weak over the last couple of years, we believe the timing of this project is ideal. The economy is already starting to turn around. With the strong impetus the government is putting on reigniting growth, and with the clear visibility on interest rate reductions that will take place over the next couple of years and that have already begun, we believe the general macroeconomic environment in India will greatly improve over the life of this project, which is over the next 3 years.
जेट एयरवेज के मुंबई के बीकेसी इलाके के प्लॉट को डेवलप करने पर यहाँ पर गोदरेज प्रॉपर्टीज़ की तरफ से प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस होती हुई। वायदा से फ़ायदा में आज के लिए इतना ही लेंगे एक ब्रेक, और ब्रेक के बाद होगा आपके लिए अगला शो बाजारों का हाल। बने रहिए हमारे साथ। नमस्कार।